Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to fix YouTube TV error code 3. But first, what does a YouTube TV error code 3 mean? YouTube TV error code 3 is a common error that indicates an issue with the YouTube app, leading to the app either freezing while in use or failing to launch completely. Though this error can be alarming, it's not a definite indicator that the issue is with the app or the device. Such an error can be due to external factors like poor network connectivity and slow internet speeds. The following are some of the common causes of YouTube TV error code 3. Server is down. Though error code 3 does not always necessarily mean that there's an issue with the app, sometimes it could be an indicator that the YouTube TV application server is temporarily unavailable, maybe because it's experiencing maintenance. You're using an unsupported device. YouTube TV app is only compatible with certain devices, like PC web browsers and smart TV. You will experience an error code 3 when you're trying to use this app on unsupported devices. Poor internet connectivity. Unstable internet connection is actually the most common cause that leads to error code 3, even if other devices that require internet are working, and your TV app is not working. Do not ignore this potential cause. Now, let's look at the best solutions that you can apply to fix this error. Relaunch the app. When encountering YouTube TV error code 3, it's advisable to relaunch the app. This will fix any technical-related issues that the app might face and potentially resolve the issue at hand. You could also consider restarting the device that you're running the YouTube TV content on. However, if the server of the app is down, give it a few minutes. It could be back to normal before you know it. Check internet connection. Since an unstable internet connection is the leading cause of this error, to troubleshoot it. It's also advisable that you disconnect the internet first, reset the router, and let it be on for a few minutes before re-establishing the connection. If the issue was the internet, then this should fix the problem. Focus on your device. Lastly, always ensure that you're running YouTube TV app on a supported device to avoid getting the error code 3. Thanks for watching.